Hello everyone, welcome to our animal autopsy where we get to do some dissecting and learning more about our creature friends. This beautiful thing is a small, I believe it's a boa or a ball python. Uh, Around this area, this is known as chicken snake. They usually go in the chicken coops and eat eggs, or when they're bigger they go and eat the chickens. This is a tad smaller than the snake we found in our chicken coop a couple of weeks ago. Looks like maybe a good it's maybe a good maybe a good 3 feet 3 feet long, and maybe like an inch in circumference. So I saw this on the side of the road. I believe it got ran over. As you can see over here, it got this where the part where the tire ran over, because I can feel some bones over there, bones broken. So as you can see, this is one thing that might look scary. It's like the black beady eyes of a snake. See that one? Oof. Even freaks me out just looking at it. And of course, if we open the mouth, you can see, right there. So it's kind of very interesting animal. And in their mouth they have, from what I heard, have their teeth that are raked to the back. I think it also got stepped on the head as well. Let me see. Okay. So my plan today is to skin the snake like what I did the last time. From what I heard, the best part is to start from the vent in the back here and just cut straight all the way up. Well, we'll see, we can do that too. Let's see. So this is where I don't know, how do you know if it's a male or female? Does it have claspers or something? Nothing? Alright. So again, very interesting animal. Alright, so let's get down to opening it up. Alright, so they say go from the vent, then you can just insert the knife in there. Hold on, where do I want to go? This way? Maybe this way? No, I like to keep the, so go up the vent so you can just run the knife. Nope, sorry. Alright. We're back. I was able to cut through the snake, a nice sharp pair of scissors would do the trick, because it takes a really good it cut it really well, not like when I was cutting it with a knife. All right, so what I did was I cut the upper layer of the skin here in the back, okay, and then I took out the connective tissues from the skin and the main snake body. You grab a hold of the skin and the head and pull it down. My wife is just, if only you could see my wife's reaction to this. See, like, just pull it down is the best clean way to do it. All the way down to the, this is where I always get stuck. So just get your scissors and cut the rectal area. Well, this is mostly bone now right here, so it is a little more challenging. There. So hopefully I should not have any more problems. And all the way there. See? Nice and easy. Snake skin. So going back to our snake autopsy, if the camera lady can come a little closer. So you can see here, it's pretty cool. Like a lot of vertebrae, you can see the trachea. It's like a nice tube with cartilage. Is it cartilage? Going down. You can see the heart right here. Let me pop it open for you guys. You okay? There you go. See the snake heart. Ooh, cool. Dub dub dub. And then I guess you can see there's like the liver here that got ran over by the vehicle, and on its side I believe this is the esophagus going to its stomach, but most of the middle part I couldn't see no more because it's like all mush because of being ran over by the whatever vehicle it ran over. Coming down here, we can open it more. Unfortunately, I have to study more of my snake anatomy. And it looks like these are adipose tissues right here. I thought it was like it was food that the snake ate. And of course, here in the back, the intestines with some poop still right there. Okay, I think that's it. That's all for this part of a snake. Right? See, it's like black beady eyes. It's tongue. Ooh, cool! Right there, tongues out there. Oh man, I wish my video had that 360 and you'll just see my wife squirming in the background. Okay, but I love my wife. She's very supportive. So thank you, my love. So it's very interesting. Oh, see here. Here is the tire marks where the snake got run over right here. See that one? And that's awesome. The heart is like so tiny. I don't know. I wish I could look more, but like as you can see, it's like the snake had a lot of internal organ damage. Okay. So now for the skin, like the last time, I'm gonna just try to get as much out. And I still have the concoction of alcohol, half alcohol, half glycerin from our last snake. So I'm just gonna clean some of the snake stuff out like this, and I'm gonna put the rest of this snake skin into the jar for 48 hours, and we will have another tanned snake skin. It's cool, huh? Alright, thank you again. I hope you enjoyed this snake autopsy that we had. Unfortunately, the snake's organs were a little more damaged than I thought it would be. Alright, take care.